explaining how to connect eShare to your PC and how to use it. Install the eShare app on your laptop and ensure that both the IWB and the laptop are connected to the same network. Then open the app and select the IWB you want to connect to. When connecting for the first time, enter the IP address. Once connected, you can use the share screen and TV mirror functions. First, the share screen function projects the screen of your laptop onto the large IWB screen. Up to 9 PCs and mobile devices can be connected simultaneously. Next is the TV mirror function. TV mirror allows your laptop to mirror the IWB screen, meaning you can control the IWB from your laptop. You can also write on the whiteboard or in the browser using the annotation function. The number of TV mirror connections depends on the strength of the network. Lastly, AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast are available. The user guide shows you how to connect. Here's how to connect if your laptop is running Windows OS. When you press the Windows key and K, a list of devices that can be connected will be displayed. If you select the IWB, you can project the screen wirelessly. If you want to write collaboratively, enable the touchback feature from this menu.